welcome to my channel AnyTube. Today we are going to solve quiz on understanding Vidya Pravesh and Balbatika. So let's start our quiz. At which stage of life is the brain development rapid? So the answer we have here is option number 4, early childhood stage. Next quiz. The activities and worksheets or the learning experiences for Vidya Pravesh and Balbatika should be developed around. So the answer is all three developmental goals. Option number 4 shown on the screen. Next, what is the daily duration in hours for the implementation of Vidya Pravesh and Balbatika? So the answer we have here is 4 hours per day. Next quiz. The main purpose of the activity interest areas is to give children opportunity for free play will be our answer. Next quiz. What is the age for preschool third? So the answer will be here 5 plus. Option number 1 as shown on the screen. Next quiz. Foundational stage as given in NEP 2020 covers the age group of, it will be 3 to 8 years. What is the duration for the implementation of Vidya Pravesh in weeks? So the answer will be 12 weeks. Which of the following document is part of the FLN mission? So the answer is here Vidya Pravesh. Next quiz. What is the correct example of phonological awareness? The answer will be identification of rhyming words. You can click on option 1. What is the full form of FLN mission? Full form of FLN mission is Foundational Literacy and Numeracy Mission. Option number 2 we can click as shown on our screen. Next one. What is portfolio? So the answer is collection of concrete work sample of each child. Next. The activities and worksheets or the learning experiences suggested in Vidya Pravesh and Balbatika should be based on competencies and concepts will be our answer. What is the correct example of balance in activities? The answer is teacher initiated and child initiated activities. You can click on this. What kind of material is suggested in Vidya Pravesh and Balbatika? So the answer is indigenous locally locus material. Among the following, which activities come under the daily routine activities as per the weekly schedule? So the answer is greet and meet, circle time and free expression. Next quiz. What is the duration for implementation of Balbatika? So the answer will be 1 year. Next quiz. What is mean by DIY? So it will be do it yourself. Option number 4. Next, for how many terms are the assessment schedule suggested for assessment and recording of children's progress? So the answer will be 3. You can click on option 3. Learning crisis among children of what age stage of schooling is mentioned in NEP 2020? So the answer is primary schools. Next quiz. When should the worksheets be given to the children? So the answer will be after children have sufficient opportunities to play with concrete objects or toys and play based activities. So we have done 20 questions total and we submit. You can see our score is 20 out of 20. So if you like my video, then please subscribe this channel for more videos update. Now let us move to the second set of this module. So let's start our quiz. So the quiz number 1. Which components represent language and literacy in its complete form? So the answer will be oral, reading and writing. Next one. What is meant by weekly schedule? So the answer is day-wise scheduling of activities to be conducted for a week. As per the NEP 2020, the learning crisis points out which two aspects? So the answer is foundational literacy and numeracy. So option number 3 you can click on. Next, how many developmental goals are covered in the development of Vidya Pravesh and Balbatika? So the answer will be 3 developmental goals. You can click on 3 developmental goals. Next quiz. What is the correct example of balance in activities? So the answer is teacher initiated and child initiated activities. Next, what term is used for preschool third in NEP 2020? So the answer will be Bal Vatika. Next quiz, when should the worksheets be given to the children? So the answer will be after children have sufficient opportunity to play with your toys and play waste activities. Let's move on to next quiz. Among the following, which activities come under the daily routine activities as per the weekly schedule? So the answer is greet and meet, circle time and free expression. Next, what are the competencies and concept covered under developmental goal 1? So the answer will be self-concept, social behavior, education practices, self-protection, motor skills. Let's move on. Next, functional stage as given in NEP 2020 covers age group of 3 to 8 years. Answer will be 3 to 8 years. Next quiz. The activities and worksheets or the learning experiences suggested in Vidya Pravesh and Bal Vatika should be based on. So the answer will be competencies and concepts. Next, what is the focus of Vidya Pravesh and Bal Vatika? So the answer, develop the competencies and concept to support learning at the preparatory stage. So the option number 2 shown on the screen. Let's move to the next quiz. Which of the following document is part of the FLN mission? So the answer we have here is Vidya Pravesh. Next please. What is portfolio? So the answer will be collection of concrete work sample of each child. Next quiz. Answer will be option number 2. Which document is mentioned as labeled in the FLN mission guideline? So the answer we have here will be Bal Vatika. Next quiz. How will continuous assessment given in Vidya Pravesh and Bal Vatika help teachers? So the answer we have is modify teaching learning strategies, material activity areas. Let's move to the next quiz. What is free play? So the answer we have here is child initiated small group activity. You can click on option 1, child initiated small group activity. What process of assessment is suggested in Vidya Pravesh and Bal Vatika? Answer is continuous and multidimensional. Next, what is the duration of implementation of Bal Vatika? So the answer is 1 year. The NEP 2020 talks about what kind of intervention to be given in the early grade. So the answer is lay-based, inquiry-based, age and developmentally appropriate. So you can click on option number 2. So we have done with 20 questions. Let's submit and you can see our score is 20 out of 20. So if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.